Introduction. This VBA script sends a message from Excel to a Telegram chat using the Telegram bot API. 2. Error handling. The line "on error resume next" allows the script to continue running even if an error occurs. 3. Variable declarations. Obj request handles the HTTP request. Chatted stores the chat ID of the recipient or group. Message stores the message to be sent fetched from Excel. Post data prepares the data to send in the HTTP post request. 4. Set chat ID and message. Chatted contains the ID of the Telegram chat or group. Message fetches the content from cell F9 in the Telegram sheet. 5. Prepare post data. Post data combines the chat ID and text fields into a format required by the Telegram API. 6. Create HTTP request object. Obj request is created using the msxml2.xml HTTP object to make HTTP requests. Send the HTTP post request. .open sets up the HTTP request as a post method and specifies the Telegram bot API endpoint. Replace your bot token with the bot token obtained from Telegram's botfather. .set request header specifies the data type as application XWW form URL encoded. .send sends the formatted data to the Telegram server. 8. How it works. Retrieves the message from Excel, combines it with the chat ID, and sends it using Telegram's bot API. 9. Replace values. Replace chatted with your chat ID and your bot token with the actual bot token to make the script work. 10. Demonstration. Add a message in cell F9 of the Telegram sheet. Run the macro to send the message to the specified Telegram chat.